Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, Mom. Happy Valentine's Day.
Indian Ocean has seen a rise of
వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ శ్రీదేవి శ్రీనివాస్ వ్లాగ్స్. అందరూ ఎలా ఉన్నారని బాగున్నారా? నేను చాలా బాగున్నాను. మీరు కూడా బాగున్నారు మనస్ఫూర్తి అయితే కోరుకుంటున్నాను. మన ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం చూసినట్టయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. వీడియోలోకి అయితే వెళ్ళిపోతాము. వీడియో అనేది ఎక్కడ కూడా స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి.
Hi, I'm Vibranishi from grade 5. Today I'm going to talk about the problem and how to rectify it. The problem is the rising sea levels. As ice melts, the ocean rise. Coastal cities and islands are in danger. Farms near the sea become salty and plants cannot grow. People may have to leave their homes. Stopping global warming is the only way to stop rising sea levels. Rising sea levels. Rise of sea level is not uniform globally. For example, our Indian Ocean has seen a rise of above 0.3 meters between the last 90 years. Some cities in India also experience significant increases. Like Mumbai has seen an increase of 4.44 centimeter between 1987 and 2021. Now, I am going to talk about the solution for rising sea levels. The solution is rainwater harvesting. In our city, we collect rainwater from roofs and store it in underground tanks. The stored water is used for cleaning, washing, and gardening, which saves for drinking water. When more stored water is collected, we depend less on rivers and lakes. This prevents water scarcity in summer. Rainwater harvesting can contribute on global scale to slightly slow rate of rising sea levels. The rainwater harvesting is a simple idea, but it protects the future of our earth. We share one earth. Let us protect it with love. Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, Mom. Happy Valentine's Day, Amma. Today I am going to talk about greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect keeps the earth warm. Gases in the air like carbon dioxide hold heat from the sun. This is natural and important for life. But when factories and vehicles release too much gas, the earth becomes hotter than it should. This leads to climate change. We must reduce pollution to protect our planet's balance. Recent news, a presence of greenhouse gas which reached a record high of 57.7 gigatons primarily in 2024, driven by India and China. Now I am going to talk about the solution to mitigate greenhouse effect. Rooftop garden is the solution to mitigate greenhouse effect. We grow garden on rooftops to keep the city cool and green. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. Vertical farms grow plants in layers, saving space and giving us fresh vegetables. They use less soil and less water compared to normal homes. Rooftop gardens reduce heat, control pollution and make the city beautiful. When homes turn into green spaces, the city becomes happier and healthier. We share one earth and let's protect it with love. Thank you.
The founder of Kipsa. Sindhu ma'am.
Auntie,
And one question.
Thank you.
Hi ma'am, my name is Miduna. Today I'm going to talk about a problem we did and how to rectify it. The problem is global warming. Our earth is becoming warmer each year. This is called global warming. It is caused by burning coals, petrols and diesel. Hotter earth means more heat waves, stronger storms and rising sea levels. We must use less fuel and more clean energy. Small changes today protect our future. The record-breaking heat of 2024 with the past decade being the warmest on record. The solution: bicycle lanes and walking tracks. Our green city encourages people to walk and cycle more. Special bicycle lanes and walking tracks are built to keep everyone safe. Walking and cycling do not cause pollution unlike cars and motorbikes. They also keep our bodies strong, fit and happy. When we choose to move with our feet instead of fuel, we save the environment. Healthy citizens make healthy city. We share one earth, let's protect it with love. Thank you. Happy Elephants Day. Happy Elephants Day.
Hi ma'am, I'm the environmental. I'm gonna tell you the problem we did and how to rectify. The problem is air pollution. The air pollution comes from vehicles, burning waste and factories. Dirty air causes asthma, breathing problems and lung diseases. So plants help us clean the air by giving oxygen. So planting trees is the best solution to pollution. Recent report highlights that India remains highly polluted with an estimate of 2 million air pollution, exceeding whole population. The solution is the Smart Park, which is known as the Green Community Park. It acts as a natural filter filled with plants, trees and play areas. A park is something which brings people together and reduces stress. Family relax, children play and the environment becomes more cooler. Planting even one tree can bring joy and life. Because green spaces are the heart of a happy city. We share one earth, let us protect it with love. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, my name is Aradhya. Today I am going to talk about water pollution. Water becomes polluted when garbage, chemicals and plastics are thrown into the river. Polluted river harms fish, animals and humans. We must protect it. We can clean water by boiling, filtering and using clean habits. According to 2023 report by the Central Pollution Control Board, the number of polluted river stretches has decreased from 311 to 296. Through 271 river stretches remain polluted. In this city, used water is not thrown away. It's cleaned and recycled using water treatment plant. Recycled water is used for cleaning roads, watering gardens and flushing toilets. This helps save clean drinking water for important needs. Water is precious and limited. We must protect it. We can clean water. Saving water saves life. We share one earth. Let us protect it with love. Thank you.
Good morning. Every day we create waste at home, school and everywhere we go. If we mix all the waste, it harms our soil, water and air. We should separate dry waste and wet waste and avoid plastic as much as possible. Simple habits like using cloth bag and throwing the waste in the right bin can protect our environment. Let us all promise to keep the surrounding clean and make the planet healthy. Next I'm going to talk about waste segregation system. Caption: Green bin and blue bin. Now green city, everyone should follow the two-bin system. Green bin is for wet waste like food, peels and leaves. Blue bin is for dry waste like plastic, metal and paper, plastic and metal. when we separate the waste correctly, it becomes easy to recycle and reuse. It reduces garbage and keep the city clean. Segregation is a small habit, but it has a big impact on the environment. Clean habit build a clean nation. We have an earth. Let us protect it with love. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, I'm Abigail studying in class 5. Today I'm going to talk about energy conservation and smart street lights. Energy is important for our daily life, but wasting it harms our planet. Simple actions like offing lights, fans and appliances when not needed can save lots of electricity. Using LED bulbs and allowing sunlight during the day can also reduce energy use. When we reduce pollution, we protect natural resources. Each step we each take makes a big difference. Now I'm going to talk about smart street lights. Our street lights turn on solar power. They turn off and on automatically. They save electricity and reduce power waste. Thank you.
My name is Charan. Ma'am, my name is Charan. I am studying 3rd standard. Today I am going to talk about 3R rule. We can reduce, reuse, recycle. We can protect nature by using 3R rule. Reduce waste, reuse things again, recycle materials like paper, plastic. This helps save trees, water and energy. Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about environmental degradation. It is a deterioration of Earth's natural system, air, water, soil and ecosystem. Due to human activities like pollution, overconsumption and urbanization leading to resource depletion, habitat loss and adverse impact on human health and ecological balance with costs including population growth, industrialization and unsustainable lifestyle. Now I'm going to talk about bioconservation. Bioconservation means protecting all living things, plants, animals and their habitats. Today many species are disappearing because of pollution, deforestation and climate change. If we don't care for nature now, our future will suffer. By saving biodiversity, we can protect clean air, pure water, healthy soil and safe planet. Simple steps like planting trees, reducing plastic, saving water and respecting wildlife can create big changes. Let us promise to protect nature every day, because when we save life on earth, we save our future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jafia. I am studying in class 5. So now I am going to explain about melting glaciers. Polar regions and mountain glaciers are melting fast. This happened because the temperature is rising. When ice melts, sea level increase and coastal areas may get flooded. Animals like polar bears and penguins are losing their home. Protecting the ice means protecting the balance of the earth. The world's glaciers have lost an average of 273 billion of tons of ice per year between 2012 to 2023. So now I'm going to talk about wind energy. Wind power through the use of wind turbines help glaciers to melt primarily as part of global effect to combat climate change by reducing greenhouse emission by generating clean renewable energy. Wind turbines decrease reliance on fossil fuel, which are the main drives of global warming that causes glaciers to melt. We share one earth. Let us protect it with love. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, this is Siran studying in class 5. Today I am going to talk about renewable energies. We can make electricity using solar energy, hydro energy, wind energy and tidal energy. These are called renewable energies. They do not cause pollution or runoff. Windmills, solar panels and hydropower plants can replace fossil fuels. Choosing clean energy means protecting the earth and our future.
Next, I'm going to talk about houses that run on sunlight. Hi, welcome to our green city. In this city, houses use solar panels to collect sunlight and convert it into electricity. Solar energy does not create any smoke or chemicals, so it keeps the air clean. The sun gives free energy every day, and we are learning to use it smartly. Choosing clean energy means choosing a clean future. We share one earth, let us protect it with love. Thank you.
What are the private school activities available in schools? I should say, we have archery, sound, dance. We don't have sound class, we don't have drums in kids. Drums we have. Keyboard and yes.
ఫుట్బాల్
Bharadam we have.
కదండి వీడియో అయితే పిల్లలు అయితే ఎలా సైన్స్ స్క్వేర్ అనేది ఎలా చేశారు ఏంటి అనేది కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో అయితే కామెంట్ చేయండి. పిల్లలందరూ కూడా మంచి స్పిరిట్తో అయితే చాలా బాగా అయితే మొత్తం కూడా పేరెంట్స్కి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం కానీ అన్నీ అయితే సూపర్గా అయితే చేశారనమాట. మీ అందరికి ఎలా అనిపించిందో కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో అయితే కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఇంక ఇక్కడైతే డైరెక్టర్ మేడంని కొన్ని అంటే స్కూల్లో కొన్ని యాక్టివిటీస్ అయితే చేస్తూ ఉంటాం కదా, ఇంకా వాటన్నిటిని డేట్స్ ఏమేమి జరిగినాయి ఏంటి అనేది ఇక్కడైతే అడుగుతున్నాం అనమాట. మీ అందరికీ బ్లాగ్ అనిపించిందో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఇంకా మంచి వీడియో ముందుకు ఛానల్ అంటే బై బై. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.